Hey, what's up? My name is Mikey Shattuck, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you what happened behind me. So this is my YouTube channel here. This is Codex right here. So what happens is you upload a video, and then it goes to a draft state on YouTube, right? And every business, everybody should be uploading videos to YouTube. Goes to a draft state. So what I successfully did over the course of this conversation is from the very beginning, which is I told it with a voice note exactly what I wanted to do, which is basically come in here and take my video that is in draft state and create a thumbnail, create a description, create a thumbnail for it, create, and then fill out all this information down here, which is your audience, find the correct tags, okay? And then I'm going to keep upgrading it, but basically that's the most important things for now. And then how it really does that is it goes to this page in a web browser. So it actually uses Google Chrome. It clicks through it like a human. It's the only real way to do this. And then it goes and finds this link here, which is view on YouTube. Then on this link here, inside of the descriptions of when you put a draft up in a couple minutes, the transcript is right there. So then it goes and finds the transcript box here. It takes the transcript and then it turns it into an actual understand what the video is, and then it creates the title and the description and everything based off of what actually the transcript says. Okay, which is then all you have to do is just crank out content, upload, and then crank out content, and then this automation basically runs. Right now, this is all running locally on my computer, and it's an automation that runs locally using Codex. So the next step is getting it to be able to go to the cloud and things like that. But that's a little bit tougher when you get into logging in to to YouTube and getting all that permitted. But locally on your computer, 100% works. It's pretty cool. So for sure, I have 2 running tests that were all automated and working. So now I'm going to kind of set it loose and have it continue going. And then obviously you can see the thumbnail is my likeness and everything like that. But comment below, let me know what you think. Let me know if you're interested. I'll send you the raw code files if you're interested in trying to figure this out yourself. No problem.